Good day. In this video, we'll be going over how to use Tagger to utilize term stores found within SharePoint to find matches within documents. In this particular example, I'll be using this US patent. The text Gutterman is our example text that has been already added to our term store and what Searchlight Tagger will be using. My Manage Metadata column is the one shown now. To set this up, I'm going to create a new job, go to Job Settings. I'm going to give my job a name, select my library type, and add the location. There are several authentication methods available, but for demonstration purposes, I'm simply using basic authentication. Once done, I'll go to the document settings. I'm going to enable PDF, and if I have certain requirements regarding the created and modified properties of my document, I can enable these to make it clear when the document was last edited by something other than Searchlight. If you have the sister product, Searchlight OCR, you can also enable this to only tag documents that have been OCR'd by Searchlight. This is where all of the tagging settings can be managed. For this, I'm simply enabling taxonomy matching settings. There are a few options here, but generally they shouldn't need changing, and just enabling the feature is all that we need. I'm going to have the job run manually. I don't need Searchlight Tagger to email me. And now we're ready. So from my dashboard, I can now run the job. And as you can see in the background, the fields have already been entered. Some things to note in Tagger is when using other extraction methods, you can add them to a term store. So there is a certain level of autonomy you can create to populate your term stores. Thank you for watching.